DJM TV. Sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. DJM TV.
From that house. Country people, una welcome to the Ogbonge program Street Zoom for DJM TV. That Ogbonge TV station when they always give una Ogbonge hot story as then they happen. Today we just enter street again to come ask country people matter when they for ground. But before we go there, I beg, we want thank una. So far, one I don't think they look us all this way. And we want to tell you, if don't they look us, you never see subscribe to our YouTube channel. I beg, make you do so quick, so that you go continue to get our Ogbonge news story as them they ought, as we did nag them. We don't day for all social media platforms. For Facebook, we day. For Twitter, we day. For YouTube, we day. And if you want to see us, make you just type DJM TV. You go see us for live for Facebook, live for Twitter, and for website too. We still there. If you want to see us live for website, our website address now be www.djm.tv.news. 24 hours now we take the summer news for those platforms. Back to our program today, when it carry us enter street today. Now for some days now, it get music when it don't come out, and the person when he sing that music can't be Edris It can go consign EDO election. Now for the music, it talks so many things, and some of the things when he can't talk, he can't say Oshiomole 8 years as governor for Edo State, say he better pass Obaseki 4 years as governor for Edo State. Now that one carry center street today. Make we ask country people how they see this matter as in plan for in music. We dey for street, and na me una country brother Stanley Okocha. Now I see they handle the program again today. Make una follow us as we begin to get the mind of country people concerning this matter when it be say we don't become so. From Edris latest track when he say Oshiomole 8 years as governor better pass Obaseki 4 years of governor, because he go talk about MOU. How country people see MOU, how it don't waka for Obaseki government. We want get the mind of the people concerning all this matter. Make una follow us as we enter street. Okay, well done.
Yeah, my brother.
Welcome.
Yeah.
You don't hear the latest song when this Nigerian superstar musician Edris sing?
I don't hear him.
I beg you go tell us your name now.
My name now Ozia Abaya alias Junior Oshiomole.
Now in talk for that music, say Oshiomole 8 years better pass Obaseki 4 years. How you see him?
No, the person who sing the music, no put water for my talking. Now true talk. Oshiomole 8 years, road no good for this meaning. Oshiomole na renew all the whole road. If you see red roof where big men take they build house. Now Oshiomole use and build all the primary school where they this Edo. Whether this village or if you go your village, you go see all the red roof primary and secondary school. Oshiomole na him make us know say money dey for government. Where our Oba, the person wey fair rule, I no wan mention name, everybody go know am. Where they pay, there they give am 2 million, but na that person dey give our Oba, Omonoba, Okwa, he come dey give am 10 million naira.
How you know say na 10 million they give her? You did there?
Yes, we dey see am for, I dey read paper, we dey see am for news. But this one wey dey now, we never see, you no fit do anything, something where we don see for the primary school Oshiomole built. Na he dey go dey paint. He go paint and put his signboard. Not be he build am, make he do new structure. See new Benin market, Etosa market born. He no fit build am. A new Benin market now old zinc na dey make dem come renew am. So we need person, but that is simple agenda where Pastor Israel Yamu get. If he no do anything, we go fit hold and say, see wetin you write for paper, you no fit do am. But this one now wey he campaign, we no dey see am. Wetin he take dey campaign, either 4+4 na campaign, pepper demo na campaign, 10 masses wetin you go do for them, so that we go know how we go take support you. No be pepper dem or 4+4, no be that one, no be campaign. Thank you. Na so I go fit talk.
Now, you talk about simple agenda, all right? You talk about simple agenda. Now, Obaseki also gets his own agenda when he call mega. You never see him.
Who say?
Mega.
Who be mega?
Mega, his own campaign. When be mega. Oga listen. Mega. You never see him.
Who should wetin be mega? I no see that one. I no see mega. I don't see any mega. Oshiomole, the person wey go act like Oshiomole, now we need for this Benin. No be person wey go dey spend money, big money wey before opponent give am chance for PDP. Na money is spent. Thank you.
Oga, wait, we never talk finish. We still dey talk. Now you talk about Oga, wait. You talk about say person when he go do like Oshiomole. Oshiomole tell us 4 years ago.
Yes.
Say the present governor go do like him. Now, you dey claim now say person go do like Oshiomole. Does it mean say the present governor not do like Oshiomole?
He no do am. I no see anything wey he do. All the Congress boss wey Oshiomole buy. We dey say at that time e dey help people, but now since the coronavirus come now, we no dey see the boss here again. The boss no dey work again. Me dey work for far place. I no dey see Congress boss enter again. Wetin happen? We no dey see am. So we need change. We need person wey go come clean our tears. All the youth,
People already give their mind. I beg una one thing. Well, make I beg una one thing. Everybody get the time to do. I go give you time. You understand? No talk. Oga, I beg. If you want talk, I will call you. I beg. You don't do it. Oga, wait. You go talk. You talk. Con the people, everybody want talk at the same time, but everybody not fit talk the same time. I beg we go take them one after the other. Oga, we go take them one after the other. Not be to quarrel. Yeah, not be to quarrel. One of you ready now? I want to interview you. Oga, well done. What will be your name?
My name is Peter Aligbe.
Now the music when Edris Abdulkarim, Nigerian superstar musician, sing. Now we take industry today to come get to our mind. Now, if for that music, he said Oshiomole 8 years, better pass Obaseki 4 years. So how you see him? Now be the thing. Say your mind. Now your mind you want to say.
I want to talk. Obaseki 4 years, sir. Obaseki never even is 4 years. Obaseki 4 years. He better pass Oshiomole 8 years way rule.
Why you talk so? Why you talk so?
Well, why I talk so? Because Obaseki now since we governor for 4 years, never borrow money. Obaseki na 8 years we rule. Now how much gbese we put us. Now even make Obaseki the even pay. Now the credit now Obaseki they pay. Now make cannot even work. Now lie, now truth. Not be lie.
Now for the music too, the superstar musician talk say MOU. Now so MOU. Now Obaseki they sign. So MOU, what do you feel say be MOU?
I don't know what to be MOU. If you make me understand.
Me too not know what it be MOU. Let me they ask you.
Me myself don't know.
Okay, fine. MOU. He said they know they see result for the MOU. You say they see result?
Result go dey now. Who do well go get result now. Who not pass, I want to get result. Who pass, who write exam. For school now, you be like school. Who go school will win. Not be like a good certificate. Who not get result, they'll give us certificate. Why they talk? Who win, who write exam, who go school now, we read, go school where? He finish primary school to secondary school, they'll give a result. Who not get result, they want to give a result. They don't be give a result now. And I be that now. Obaseki they try, they help us well. Now I want to see win. Now I want to see vote for.
You get PVC?
I get PBT, they ask. I get PBT. Not be like.
But election, na fight?
Not be fight. Election na peaceful. Not be fight until they do election. Na peace people, na gentlemen, until they vote.
Why you gonna drag now just now with that man?
No, we are not drag. Based on that man, they talk na kankama. If with this one, I they talk. Like he put this one, he not start for bias away before. Now me push and I'm moving at the talk. Now with this man, they do body. You know, concern me because election are people. Election, we not they fight until they do election.
Okay, thank you.
We don't already win. PDP don't win.
You behind neck when they say PDP don't
win. Okay, we don't win. Everybody will not behind neck. We don't win already. We not be lying.
Thank you for the time when you talk to us. You do well. Okay, well done. Welcome.
Hello, sir.
I beg, tell us your name.
My name is Emmanuel Iweru.
You know Edris Abdulkarim?
Yes, I know Edris Abdulkarim.
You didn't sing the song we don't first sing before?
The sing we may know we sing. We sing Nigeria Jaga Jaga.
Nigeria not Jaga Jaga now. Okay, we're not Jaga Jaga. So he sing another song now some days back. For inside the song, he say Oshiomole 8 years better pass Obaseki.
It's clear. Don't say it's my work. Don't be say you work everywhere go be Jaga Jaga. You say you work. No, but the one Obaseki do now small places, but it sure say yes, he may work. For my own, I just will give that man congrats. Obaseki to try.
But some people they talk say the schools when it dey so now Oshiomole build them. You don't have to just use pen to rub them. So how you see that one?
No, everybody get your own opinion. You know, say people go want talk anyhow, talk with it, they don't know. But everybody, you as a governor, as you come, you go do your own. This one will come, you go do your own. If not only that oil and gas, we do. And come out road, we do. Ogbe stadium, we not get stadium before, but that stadium, what we they see, we they get joy. Because now we fit do sports now. Okay, see the National Sports Festival we want host now. Now Obaseki na do a stadium, no, but Obaseki. And for not say this do host a National Sports Festival. So I go. In fact, I don't know as I want to thank that man. That man to try. That man want change Edo. He come to make peace for Edo, and he come to change Edo, and God will continue to bless that man. Anywhere go to see blessing from grace to grace.
What about election day? So you know, say not be only APC and PDP they contest. Other parties will call.
That election day, the advice I give the youths.
I never ask you for that one now. Now other political parties, because INEC tell us in 14, now they contest the election. So other political parties, how you still see them?
For me, everybody come with his own. But for me, now PDP may stand for. So on that day, I go carry my PVC card, vote for the man where be say it be my choice. That's Obaseki. Because I see what the man do for this state. What this man don't do, my brother. I don't know. I want to talk. The man try. 4 years we don't do now. Never borrow money. The man is doing good thing. He don't know say yes. He go keep on doing more work. If I vote for next tenure, and as you don't assure us, he go do one. So now we have to talk with that.
Okay. This question again. INEC just announced say election day. Say the election day. So as people they vote for election, they don't get website when we say as they give results for the unit. If they reach INEC, everybody they see them. How you see that kind of thing for INEC side?
You know, say everybody get your own opinion. INEC, as a talker, but all they want to know that this election, it will come for peaceful. They're not going to be quarrel, no fights. Who want to go there, go vote for his own choice. If you say na APC, you want to vote for, not go hold you may not vote for APC. If you say na PDP, you want to vote for, not go hold you may not vote for PDP. Everybody your own choice. But for me, on that day, na PDP, you want to vote for. I don't want my PVC, I'll vote for my PDP. The winner of my choice, that's Obaseki. I wait till I fit talk with that.
Concerning violence, what do you get to tell the country people?
What I got to talk is that we the youth boy use our sense. Everything go good there our brain. We not go let person come go use us, go they kill each other because of money. 5 times not go reach do anything. Life is more important than money. When there is life, there is hope. You know, if you go kill yourself for 1,000, 2,000 naira, that is not possible. My advice to the youth, they should calm down. On that day, go to there, vote your vote according to the way you want it. Don't cause kata, don't cause anything fight, anything. No, they your own lane. Everybody, they your own lane, I my own lane. Go this way, they go according to Speed FM. Now, so I raise my case. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Country people, I beg, every man get right to his own opinion. Just as every man get right to freedom of association. What did that mean? Be say you get right to join any party when you want join. Nobody will force you enter anyone. So I want beg country people. Election not be war. Election not be fight. Your choice fit not be the other man choice. Let them exercise in choice as the constitution give them the right, not be fight. We see them for street now based on the music when Nigerian superstar Edris don't see come out when he talks say Oshiomole 8 years better pass Obaseki 4 years. Now with the street now, make we get the mind of the country people concerning that kind of matter. Who they talk? Okay, madam. Madam, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I beg you know the superstar that they call Edris Abdulkarim?
Yes.
One musician they call Edris Abdulkarim?
Yes, I know him.
Okay. He just sing one song now concerning EDO election. He say Oshiomole 8 years better pass Obaseki 4 years. How you see him? Look the two.
Oshiomole 8 years. Say better pass Obaseki 4 years. Nah lie.
Why you talk so?
Even Oshiomole talk and say wetin all the things wey he achieve say na Obaseki assist am achieve am. He say na Obaseki na help am for that 8 years when he tell do many things. He say Obaseki own he go tell am say make he just drop the map make he leave the remaining one for am. He say before you know am he don do am. He say no he no collect 1 naira. We dey watch am for television he dey talk am. I think you see am. So Obaseki this is 4 years now he better pass 8 years wey Oshiomole do. Na so na. See Edo job, see Edo production center. We dey see everything for television. See stadium now. See stadium.
But he say MOU. According to the musician, so he say na MOU now Obaseki dey sign. They no dey see result from the MOU.
You no know wetin dey talk. Maybe they don bribe am.
He say he spend 7 years for Edo. 7 years for Edo.
No be Edo state he spend am. No be Edo state. Maybe na Hausa side na he spend am.
So you mean na say Obaseki work pass 4 years better pass 8 years?
Better pass am. Oshiomole talk and say everything wey he achieve say na Obaseki help am achieve am. He say road from here to here. He mention all of them because I no be Benin, I be Igbo. He say from road from here to here say na Obaseki has hand. He say he knows the tradition, he knows this one, he knows that one. He say he go school. Now he can't talk say Obaseki no go school. Who they deceive? Nobody be small pikin. Even if no more, he say that kind of thing. So Obaseki good before. Now he can't say no good. If no more, he go even say you say oga this thing wey they talk na lie.
And then you go vote?
I go vote so that I'll carry my children go vote.
Your children?
Yes.
Yes,
so we dey first but where we dey vote na this thing Ministry of Education in Yaro na we dey before but na first we dey now that day I carry my children I come vote. Yes.
And before you go, INEC don announce say to make sure say this election the result na as e be say as the polling unit as they count the vote finish for polling unit they go send them straight to one website wey they don put now. How you see that one for INEC side?
To one website.
When they go send the result to, so everybody fit see am as the result they come you go they see am.
Yeah, that idea good now. It's so that they no fit manipulate am, so that they no fit ring am. Even Buhari sef don promise say they no go fit ring am. They no ring am. If they ring, all of us go enter street, we go riot now. Peaceful protest. We go protest peacefully. They no fit ring am. Anybody wey go try say go wan rig this election before that they go sleep no wake up. That be our prayer.
Thank you, madam, for the time you talk to us. Abeg, give us your name.
My name is Justin Azaya.
You do well. Country people, we see their street, oh. We see their street. Everybody they talk. You get opinion? Come talk your opinion. Okay. Well done, sir. Welcome. You are free. You are free. I'm coming. Okay. Okay, I come.
I hope my bag will not show.
It doesn't matter. We are in the streets. We are in the streets.
All right, go on.
Okay, well done, welcome. Now Pidgin English, Pidgin, but if you say one block grammar, no problem. You know Edris Abdulkarim?
Yes, of course.
You know him as what?
It's a magician. Yeah.
You know the song we don't sing before? Any of the song we sing before?
Like Nigeria, Jaga Jaga, and the rest.
But Nigeria not Jaga Jaga. Now our country. We not say Jaga Jaga, our country, our country. Now he just sing new song about EDO election. He say Oshiomole 8 years, better pass Obaseki 4 years. He talk again say now MOU, now Obaseki know how to sign when they only see results. How you see him?
Everybody's entitled to his or her opinion. You understand? They been on the way in see and the way and the way in view one to be not be that one. But that will not mean that me personally I have my own reservation concerning the performance of Oshiomole and that of Obaseki. So to a large extent, he has his own opinion. So he have just aired his mind. So we are in a democracy. Everybody's entitled to his opinion. And wait till I see with that.
And I make with the ask you now. We know everybody there entitled to your own opinion. I make with the ask you to take get your opinion now concerning that matter.
Okay, you are asking.
And now me they ask you now.
Okay, let me give you my personally. Obaseki to a large extent has performed, has convinced me to an extent. Government is all about. One thing about government, I normally say, government is am I going to phrase it now? Government is all about the people. It's all about doing the numbers of good to the numbers of people. But to a large extent, with what I can see, Obaseki has put a smile in the faces of so many persons. Okay, since these 4 years that he has taken up powers. So I think we should just give him another opportunity for him to complete the other 4 years. But Oshiomole actually tried. He actually tried when he was a governor. He did the little he can do. You understand? But I still think Obaseki is better.
Them say, according to the same Edris Abdulkarim now, he say Obaseki not continue the things when Oshiomole starts.
Okay, sir. Talk again. No, Oshiomole better tell us say.
Okay, wait.
Because he cannot go.
Wait. So, like the question why they try to ask you, it is that we're going to say Obaseki not continue from where Oshiomole stop. The things when he stop, so Obaseki not continue. How you see him?
To me, in what area is he talking about?
He said the things, everything when he starts, when Oshiomole starts.
To me, Obaseki has actually done a lot. He has actually done. To a large extent, I am against that particular view, because if you look at majority of this project, like this, what is it called? Please, sorry, I'm not linguistic.
I better tell us your name.
I'm Fred.
Thank you for trying to talk to us. Everybody with your own opinion. Okay, well done.
God bless you.
The reason why we dey street today to get country people mind. Now be the song when Edris Abdulkarim just sing. He can't compare Obaseki government and the Oshiomole government. He say Obaseki, Oshiomole 8 years better pass Obaseki 4 years. Then they come talk again saying na so MOU. Now Obaseki they sign and they only see results. How you see am?
The question wey me go ask of Oshiomole better pass Obaseki 4 years. The question wey I go ask them be say 4 and the 8, which one big pass? 8 na big pass 4. Make it later reach that for 8 years. Then we'll compare. Now 4, you take they compare 8. It's impossible. 8 is bigger than 4. Number 1. Now, you talk of MOE and others. They say we know they see evidence. We are seeing evidence around Benin.
What are those evidence where you they see?
So many roads are well done. So many things took places. You can see the road. Everybody can walk freely. You understand? Unlike some people used to complain, you don't do this, you don't. I can tell you, I trek from Uniben to Ring Road. Oshiomole did the road from this double. He did the road 4 lane all the way to Uniben, just along the expressway. But whenever rain falls, you will not see a way to pass because of flood. All the cars, all the buses, all the truck will park one place, only for them to wait for rain, for the whole water flood to dry before they can pass. I passed through the road demarcation. I climbed it from Uniben to Uselushe here before I walk down straight to Ring Road because no motor. So where will you start to count? There is much difference. It's not easy for one to establish something and for another person to maintain it. You understand? So if we should start to count, we have so many things to count, to point on. Just as I made mention of the road. He is working about electricity and we can see it. So there is nothing to compare between 8 and 4. If we can give him more, if he can, let's just say let's give him more time. Let his 8 with 8 be equal. Because 8 plus 8 is equal, 8 and 8 is equal. But you can't use 4 to compare 8. So, but with the little evidence we have seen in the range of 4 years, it's enough. And he can do more than what we are expecting. So all I can say is, let's give him chance to do more than, or to see what he can do. And see if he cannot do on our expectation. Then we'll now know that what this man is saying now, because that is not what he told us at the initial time. What he told us at the initial time was that this man, Obaseki, is the right person. Now he's telling us that he's not the right person. That the other man who is said is not the right person is the right person. Now, where do we follow? So, comparing 8 and 4.
Okay, wait, so the matter you just raised by yourself, so how you see that one? He say Obaseki the right person 4 years ago.
4 years ago.
Now, he say Nigeria will be the right person. How you see him?
Now be the thing where they talk.
How you see him?
Now be the thing where me and they talk. And many people still they talk him. They deceive us. You come carry or say, this person mama, na good. This one mama, you know sabi cook. After 4 years, he can't tell us say this one. We say good. Now not good again. This one we say now be thief everything. Now can't be best. Who are you deceiving? Nigeria is growing, and we are growing. Our eyes is being exposed. We are no more in that level where they can deceive us anymore. So let's follow that foundation that he laid at the first time. Let us see how the 8 years will look like. So we should not be judging 8 with 4. We should be judging 4 now. With this Obaseki or Oshiomole 4 years instead of his 8 years. But with what we are seeing in these 4 years, it's enough to compare. So that's all I have to say for now.
Thank you for the time you talk to us, Oga. Do well. Tell us your name again.
My name is Omemma.
You do well.
Thank you.
Thank you. Country people, we sit there for streets. We try to get the mind of country people concerning the song when Nigerian superstar Edris just released when he say Oshiomole 8 years better pass Obaseki 4 years. One, because Obaseki does also MOU. Now you know how to sign. Those MOU, he said they bring results. How can people see all this matter? Now we dey for street. Oga, welcome home. Welcome, sir.
Well done, sir.
You know Edris now?
Yes.
So he just released one song now concerning EDO election. He say Oshiomole 8 years better pass 4 years when Obaseki don't dey as governor. How you see him?
Now people opinion I be that. But for me, first of all, I discovered one thing, Obaseki tenure. It better pass Oshiomole. I not condemn Oshiomole because of the road when he do. But by now we're not supposed to talk about road because we don't pass that stage. How can somebody they say road bueho? That na words when no reach anything for year. One thing when people don't know, the way that they lack. Like me now, I not go school like that, but I still they discover, say some people when even go school pass me, they behave like people when not go school. The reason is that I traveled to Delta State during the time of about 3 months ago. From Delta State, when I did supply, I discovered say that they draw this kind of wire straight to Edo State. I now try to imagine who do that. If somebody can buy wire from, let me say from Saple to Edo State, now billions of money. Even though you not use the money or a company come establish that, now good thing to the Edo State. Obaseki, for that electricity, I give 100%. And other side, tens of children, school, primary schools, Obaseki see better person.
And they say now paint Obaseki the painter. Say now Oshiomole build down. Say now paint the painter.
Now people reason. If you see all those people when they talk and they not get BBC to vote, they not get BBC to vote. You understand me? You ask me say why I say they not get BBC. The reason is that when I say they not get BBC, everybody get your opinion. I discover I pay less than 30-something thousand naira in a private school. When somebody advised me to carry my children go government school, I carried them go government school. Oshiomole try for the school, but thanks of wisdom. Can you imagine the time of our time of school? Now snakes we dey carry go school, but now teachers they use computers. You understand me? They use computer lecture children. You see the kind of sense. And Obaseki in a very principled manner, person when all they talk. What you want to do, he will do. And you go win. 4 + 4 is 8. If they complete. Oshiomole, I not condemn him, a good man, very good man to me. Good man to me. But I pray, make it give a chance, make it complete the 4 years. Make it start. Go, you still look something like a former building for GRA. Where they are bad on Diro Bemuta at time, a renovator. I not talk of stadium. Stadium. We not be by now we will talk of stadium. We supposed to get the stadium way better past that. If you say renovate stadium, that one are your minority bet. The things when I know say go bring workers, people will work. Now they make sure. Oshiomole, Obaseki, they go better. But for wisdom of education, Obaseki better person.
Now some people they say the MOU when Obaseki they sign, say results no they come out.
Now I say now people when lack education, So they way me I don't go. Let me give you as an example. I don't dey bank. A whole NYSC say make I fill the form, and when me not go primary school. You understand me? Where NYSC say, "Oga, come help me fill my form. I want collect money." You understand me?
You sure say I get the NYSC uniform?
But now now.
If you be saying borrow my brother.
No, not fit borrow. If somebody, if me when not go primary school, call John that kind of person. If sometimes they see some graduate when not even get sense. Obaseki na very principled man. He go win 4 + 4 8.
INEC say they don't get one website when they just create now to make sure say the Edo election na correct one as people go see them. Say on that day of election, say as result they can't result for the units. Now so they send them straight to the website. How you see for that for INEC side?
What I see, each and every one of us will defend our vote. One, when you vote, create a chance to stay, make the counter. Because now they ringer. This one not will let ring. Now massive votes. He not will let ring.
But you not be INEC now. Now only one vote you get.
Yes, now INEC. Now only one vote I get. That is why I say make we defend our vote. Once you vote, you wait. When they count, your president will move. And the governor and the people when want the escorts go stay there till make the counter. They not feel ringer. He not let ring. Oshiomole good, Obaseki good, but let these 4 years complete.
Oga Singh, when he say Oshiomole 8 years better pass Obaseki 4 years, and because he talk say now so MOU, now Obaseki they sign the MOU, they only see results. How you see am?
Well, but not true word, because for me, when Oshiomole became a governor, Oshiomole 4 years,
Oshiomole 4 years. He do a something who make us vote for a second tenure again. And the second tenure na just one way because Oshiomole open our eye in this Edo state.
And in what areas?
In many things, road, school. In short, I don't know many things what Oshiomole did on the Edo state here. Make us love Oshiomole. Before I don't vote now, because Oshiomole make me come out and say I want to vote for politician. Because I love that man. He's a man who love everybody. He's not a man who put this one out. He's a man who can come out like this and everybody will be following him. Because of Oshiomole make me vote for Obaseki. Because of Oshiomole make me vote for Obaseki. If not because of Oshiomole, I will not vote for Obaseki. Because I don't know Obaseki before.
Okay, like Obaseki now. Obaseki 4 years now. How far?
Obaseki 4 years, I've never seen anything Obaseki doing for 4 years. The road of Obaseki, they move the tie safe. You know, they move the strong. The road, personal road in the tie safe. You know, the day they saw Obaseki in that day I see him last. Now tell you on paper for the same. He's not a governor. He's not a governor. He can't govern us because he's not a governor. He don't feel anything for us. Obaseki don't feel anything for us.
You na APC member?
I'm not an APC. I'm not a PDP. I love the party.
No, as you say, you not see. You say since that when they swear, that day you see and reach.
I see him last.
You both see him.
Why? As a governor, you not see your governor for street.
Why you not government for governor house?
You know why? Even if people self, your personal people when they find a go government house, if they pursue the talkers of me, I will come. Okay, now me go make us for government house. No.
But people they go and they see him. Me now for instance I want interview and if he go, book appointment I go interview him.
You come see him and build yourself. Election don't regret. I go make you see him now.
You sure?
I tell you.
But you never make attempt before now.
Huh?
You never make attempt to say you want see him.
You know how many times when you don't want me to go see him. Even if people say, family people say me they go to class and say, nah me will not be a person. I will come to me sit down. So I tell you, you don't know how they take the government. People when they back. Let me just say, I don't know how to call them. People will be saying they give me advice. They're not Sabian. If they say me they use gragra, you know, people when they follow, they know if we do the gragra. We just want peaceful election. If you lose, may go house. If you lose, may go relax. Then another person see try more no. If they want not see do again, we'll see vote that one. Get out there. I say just be.
But now 8 years constitution allow. Say constitution say 8 years, 4 years, 4 years.
But for now, as for say, we know that one. But as it be so now, as it can't be so now, the party went in there before now. It can't decamp to another party. But 4 years now, we'll give you 4 years. We'll vote you in 4 years. You not do anything. We'll come vote for you again. No, we'll not need that one again. If we vote for you for 4 years, say you not do anything, we'll vote you out. Whether you are PDP, whether you are APC, we'll not get to know. But if you did us well, we'll vote for you. But if you not did us well, we'll vote you out.
What it be those things now when you feel say they provoke you, when make you the vessel, when you say 4 years, it's okay.
For me, as me I do now, I tell you, I make one comment just and say the work Oshiomole do for this Edo state. Nobody will go tell you say no favor am. Nobody for this Edo state, nowhere where he not touch, both Ishan, he touch all. He make sure say all the village he touch am. But this Obaseki, now Benin man, he never do anything now. He never do anything. You know when you give person work, you dey monitor am. Now it be work. You give me work, you know the monitor. I can do rubbish and get out for that place. Rubbish, Obaseki do road today. To next day he go poo. He go another place, go carry people come. They do the work for here. Boys are hungry. Before now, Joshua here a day. Now therefore they do my business before. The day Obaseki enter as a governor, problem come. I come up for the enter store. 6 months I never see the house. Say how much they sell cloth. 6 months as many days. Nobody just say bros, how much they sell cloth? Because it's not the governor. I don't know how I want to call him. He know Sabi governor. I don't know what Oshiomole who can give us for here. But for now we don't believe. We say no, it's no. For my own, I say no, it's no. I can't vote for him. And if he lose, he go. You see so? So if you lose, you go. If you not lose, no race. You understand so now say it be.
Okay, you do well for the time you talk to us. You do well. Because the people we see.
He's a great man. And a person where if he carry people along, first 4 years he do great thing. In fact, I don't know if you expressions things where they super fantastic. Where the mind blowing things now he touch all areas, he touch different sectors. So Oshiomole is a hero. Now hero. Then in Obaseki, not be say he do something. Yes, he try. He do something well for in his own way. But you know, say an organization is different from a state. The way you run a company is different from the way you run a state or a country. The country, you get different set of people for country. You get the good, bad, the ugly, the low level people, the high level people, the poor, different set of people. So if you not feel know how to manage this different set of people, you are not a good leader. Obaseki has done well in his own way. You understand? I can't condemn him. He has done well. I've seen what he has done. But I will say I want an improvement in what he's doing. You understand? I want an improvement in what he's doing. You must be able to carry people along, the good, bad, and the ugly. Nobody is useless. Nobody is, even though somebody is acting as a miscreant, there's a way you rehabilitate that person so that make that person do something where you like. If you get Pikin, not be all the Pikin, they good song go they ash song go they bad. But the way you say handle them, now they say, this my daddy, na better daddy. So the way you say the handle company na professional people. They get people where they say this one, they this office, it they good for this, it they professional. You get professional people for company. But the state, people who are not educated, they state. So you must know how to handle them, know how to relate with people. Don't be too hard on people. The way you say they talk to a professional, not the way you say they talk to person who are not educated. You must meet the basic need of the people. That is what makes a good leader. But Oshiomole, his first 4 years is wonderful. The first 4 terms is wonderful. The second term, wonderful. You understand? That's what I want to talk about, that 2 things. You understand? I'm not in any political party. You understand? But when I see something with the good, I support him. Obaseki is a good man. He has done well in his own way, but he needs to do well. He needs to work on some certain things. You know, every leader has mistake. Every leader has what. Any leader when they're not the correct hand, when not the correct hand, is not a leader. So a leader must see from different angle. You understand? Your enemy, you can use your enemy to become your friend. You can use your enemy to make sure, say, you work for you well. Nobody is useless in any state. Anybody that is useless can be useful if you know how to make good use of them. Thank you very much.
The MOU side.
Yes.
Okay. Say no results for the MOU. Now Obaseki decide no result. Yeah. How you see that one?
I know if we talk because I know if we talk about that one. But if they say no results, now they know why they talk say no results. You understand? So for that, I can't say anything about that MOU say no result. But what I know, they say some things where they see for TV, like the modular refinery, the little thing I know about that is so like a project. Like these white man's and project coming to Benin to open to establish something to make sure say people get work and all those kind of stuff. You understand? So the little things where I know, you understand. But I believe say if they say there's no result for MOU, they know why they talk. So I can't talk more on that.
For INEC now, yes. INEC don't say they don't open one special website. Okay. When it be say as results they happen, yes. For election day there for the unit. Yes. Now so they go just say snap and pack them, it go appear for that website, everybody go see them. How you see that kind of innovation when INEC don't bring up?
In fact, the English word they speak for that one is called off the chisel my nizzle. That means it's beyond excellent, now perfect work. Okay. That thing where INEC do so, I applaud Yakubu Mahmoud. Now one of the things where I know say, in fact, he don't do where I applaud them. Now good thing, now good innovation. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for the time to talk to us. Yeah. I beg you go give us your name before you go.
Okay, my name now Nosahari Owaifu. My surname is Owaifu. Then my name Nosahari.
Thank you very well for the time to talk to us. You do well. You do well. Country people, we still there for streets. We want to thank country people for all the time on business. Don't think they watch us. Una do well. And we want to tell them to continue to watch us because we don't do almost all the social media platforms. We there for Facebook, We there for Twitter. We even don't open our website when we say you fit get hot ogbonge tori as then they happen. Our website name be www.djmtv.news. Our Facebook, for you to see us, just type DJM TV. And for our YouTube, to get us, make you just type DJM TV. And you go see us live and direct. Don't forget, now 24/7 with the throwaway news enter all these places when we don't tell you now. We want to thank you so far for the time when I don't take the day with us, they watch us. And once it beg you say if you don't look, you never subscribe. I better make you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And make you subscribe to all these our social media platforms when I don't talk about just now. And again, if you get products when they sell, or you get service when they render, and because people never still know about you, I beg, make you call us, make we come help you, showcase them to country people, so that your product go they sell and your service go they go siriri where and you go they happy as you they make more money. The discussion will still continue for our YouTube page, our Facebook page, and even our Twitter. Then you keep your opinion, they come. So now here we want to do the cutting for today concerning the matter we will carry come today. Until next time, when we will come on our way again with ogbonge matter when they concern country people, we say make una continue, they watch us, and make una they subscribe to our YouTube page. Remember our social media platforms now be Facebook, DJM TV, Twitter, DJM TV, YouTube, DJM TV. Then you can subscribe, then knock your hand for the notification bell so that anytime we throw away hot news, you go always get them, because we always knock news enter all these our social media platforms 24 hours 7 days non-stop. Continue to watch us until next time when we come your way. My name remains Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.